name is Ed Murray. I am your video host. Today I'm going to show you how to spatchcock and roast a chicken. To spatchcock or to butterfly a chicken means to flatten it out by removing some bones and pressing it flat. What are some reasons that we spatchcock a chicken or butterfly it? The first reason is it's more evenly because it's flatter. And that means that you don't get overcooked breasts and undercooked thighs. The second reason that it cooks faster, you can save 10 to 15 minutes, is that it cooks by using this method. And also it exposes more skin and you get a crispier chicken. Okay, get yourself a nice chicken. Fresh or frozen is good. Organic is best if you can get one. About 3.5 or 4 pounds. So the first thing you want to do is you want to get it so the back on. So you're looking at the back of the chicken. You want to get some kitchen shears or a boning knife. Make sure that it's sharp, whatever you use. And you want to cut up along one side of the backbone and then turn the chicken around and cut the other side in order to remove that backbone. Once you've removed the backbone, you want to flip the chicken over again, and this time with those, you want to bend it back, so you want to loosen up the cartilage and the remaining bones that are there. Turn the chicken back over. You want to find the keel bone, which is circular, a disc-like, kind of purplish colored bone, and you can pull it out or even pop it out. After you do that, you want to grab the remaining cartilage that's sitting right in the middle and pull it out. So you have finished the spatchcocking portion. Congratulations. All right, let's get the chicken in the oven. First, you want to preheat your oven to about 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Or if you want to put it on the grill, get it that hot. And next you want to season the bird. Definitely use salt and some pepper, and any other spices or ingredients you want to use are just fine. You can use granulated garlic or fresh garlic for that matter, or you can use cumin. I like Italian seasonings, whatever you like. All right, next we want to get it into a pan. I like to use a skillet, but whatever you have is great for roasting. Make sure you put a little vegetable oil in the bottom of the pan. Spread it around and put your chicken breast side up. Pop it into the oven for about 35 minutes or so, maybe 40 minutes. And it's ready to come out. When you pull it out of the oven, you want to take it out of the pan and put it on a cutting board to rest for about 10 minutes. After that, cut it up and enjoy it. I hope you've enjoyed watching the video, and I also hope that you'll try spatchcocking the chicken. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.